Revenge by Juniel, Sechico. Floods in the city, noise of a crying baby, great adversity. Bridges are destroyed, highway became a river, farm crops are annoyed. The home sweet home sank, men's dead bodies with their junk, waters filled the blanks. Playgrounds became pools, caused by an excessive rain. Infants learned to swim. Put your blame to none. It is right for us to have. Expect more to come. We took her beauty. Now she will take our lives. We reap what we sow. What money we earned, what are the lives we gained? Wealth blown by the wind. The cause and effect of nature's gift we had wrecked. A wrath we must take. A catastrophe, a wrath of nature's beauty, a nature's revenge.